collection of characters. So collection of characters which are included in quotes and ended by the null character is nothing but string. So string is nothing but collection of characters which are included in double quotes or which are within the double quotes ended by the null character. Is that okay? This is the definition for your string. Is that clear? So string is nothing but a character array. Is that okay? So what is the declaration for array? You have to mention data type. Am I right? After data type you need to give array name. So as it is string, we have to mention the string name. And then you need to give the size. So this is for what? Size. And followed by semicolon. So this is what your declaration. Am I right? So what is this? Declaration. Okay. So for this declaration, shall we write one example? So tell what data type we have to take here. Char. Why only char? Why? Because we are storing characters. We are saying collection of characters. So we need to mention data type as char. So string name could be anything. So simply I am taking name as my name of the string. So here I need to mention the size. So this is nothing but declaration of a string. So data type. So every time as it is a string, we need to take char. Char itself. We can't take integer and so on. So into float manam teeskolemo. Only thing we have to take is char. So char is mandatory. Then name of the string could be anything as you required. Ante mee ishtani batti edaina teeskochu. And size could be of your interest. మన ఇష్టం కదా, మన స్ట్రింగ్ని బట్టి మనం సైజ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఇస్ దట్ ఓకే? దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ declaration. Is that okay? So this is declaration. So now if this is declaration, so how many ways are there to like represent your take initiative and initialization ఈ values కి ఈ array కి initialization అనేది ఎన్ని types? Is that okay? After declaration what is the thing? Initialization, right? So initialization is nothing but assigning the values. So assigning values is also called as initialization. So how many ways are there means we are having two ways. Okay, one is using arrays. Using what? Arrays. And second one is using characters. How many ways? Two ways. Using arrays, using characters. So these are what? Initialization ways. So using arrays. So using arrays is nothing but like same you have to chestaru char of name is the string name and see I am writing something, it is valid or invalid, you need to tell me now. Is this valid? How many of you are saying this is valid? Don't say yes, just raise your hand. Okay. How many of you are saying this is not valid? Not valid. Not valid ante accept cheyadu ani entamandi anukuntunnaru. Why you are not like you are not feeling this is not not satisfying? Size anedi not mentioned. Actually if this is like this, so appudu entante idi not possible. But we are here assigning the values, right? So this is possible. Why? Because by assigning what it will do? It will assign values to the memory locations. So indulo emavutundante if you are giving without size, then it will when by the time of the assigning values it will allocate the memory. Okay? After assigning it will allocate. So if you are mentioning your size at first, again I am taking same high. So what happens now? It will allocate 5 memory blocks, which will start with 0, ended to the n minus 1. So up to 4 it is allocating. So this is allocated by the declaration. When we are assigning the values, it will store them in the memory locations. Now this is null. And these are empty, right? These are what? Empty. So these empty cells or empty blocks are called as waste of memory. What they are called as? Waste of memory. Why? Because here, okay, as they are empty, that is also fine. But here we assigned 5 memory blocks. Am I right? We assigned 5 memory blocks, but we are assigning only 3 values. Not 3, we are assigning 2 values, which is followed by null character. So once compiler is reading the string, name and string ni compiler read chestundi, h is readed, okay, I is readed, then null character readed. So when by the time null character encountered, it will think that this is the end of the string. So ఇది string end అని కంపైలర్ కి అర్థమైపోతుంది. Why? Because we'll give null character in the end of the string. ఇది దేన్ని డిక్లేర్ చేస్తుంది? స్ట్రింగ్ ఎండ్ ని డిక్లేర్ చేస్తుంది కదా. సో ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది అంటే మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ కి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? నో. సో కంపైలర్ won't check for these cells. And if you want to take another string, you cannot store in this cell or in this block, you cannot use again. ఈ బ్లాక్స్ ని మళ్ళీ యూజ్ చేయలేము. ఇవేమవుతాయి? ఇలా ఎంటీగానే ఉండిపోతాయి. సో that is the reason we are calling as waste of memory. Is that clear? So this is using what? Arrays. So this is using arrays. Now using characters. So using characters also, you can give with size or else without size. Okay? Here also what happens? By this time it will not allocate any blocks, but by assigning it will allocate blocks. Is that okay? Assign చేసిన తర్వాత హాయ్ అనేది h అనేది 0th లొకేషన్, I అనేది 1th లొకేషన్ లో స్టోర్ అయ్యి it will be ended with the null character, and here it will assign 5 memory blocks first, then it will assign the values. Here by assigning it will allocate the memory blocks. Here after assigning it will allocate the after here by size it will allocate, after it will assign. Here after assigning it will allocate. అర్థమైందా? అసైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ అలొకేట్ అవుతాయి, ఇక్కడ అలొకేట్ అయిన తర్వాత అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. క్లియర్? దీస్ ఆర్ వాట్? యూజింగ్ అరేస్, యూజింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఇస్ దట్ ఓకే? క్లియర్? ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మెన్షనింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆర్ లైక్ దిస్, ఎనీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఓకే. No need like you have to do these one only. No, not like that. You can use any of that. Okay, ఏదైనా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇలా ఇవ్వచ్చు, with size, without size, using arrays, or else using characters. Anything is fine. Clear? This is about what? Initialization of strings. So till now we have discussed what is string. Am I right? After that we have discussed declaration. Now we have discussed. Clear? So if you wanna use string in your code, if you want to use, so with the like with the help of hash include stdio.h, you are taking input and output, right? So adi kakunda inkokati you need to add like hash include string.h to use what? Strings in your code. Okay, so this is the header file you need to include in your code to use strings in your code. String మీద ఏదైనా ఆపరేషన్ చేయాలి, strings ని మీరు యూస్ చేయాలి, you have to write code on strings. For sure you have to mention this in your code. If you are not mentioning, what happens? It will not consider, compiler will not consider, compiler will give errors. Is that okay? And first string, what is the format specifier? ఏంటి? %C is used for single character, %S is used for string or else sequence of characters. Is that okay? Clear? So now we'll discuss about arrays of characters. Okay, sorry, array of strings. So what do you mean by array? What is the definition for array? Collection of data types. Collection of data types. If it is array of strings, what is mean? Array ante collection of data types. Mari array of strings ante collection of strings, not characters. Collection of data types ante array. Array of strings ante collection of strings. Collection of strings which are declared in a array is nothing but array of strings. అంటే ఒక అరేలో ఇండివిజువల్ డాటా టైప్స్ ఉన్నట్టు క్యారీ ఫ్లోట్ ఇంటూ ఉన్నట్టు స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ అరే ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్స్. ఇస్ దట్ ఓకే? సో ఫర్ అరే ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ 1 dimensional array, 2 dimensional array or else multi-dimensional array also possible. But most of the times we'll use 2 dimensional array. Is that okay? So most of the times ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాము? 2 dimensional. So now if my array of strings, so declaration ఏంటి? Char of name. So char of A, let us take A is the string name. So in A I am taking 3 of 10. Okay, so by this what will it allocate? It will allocate like 3 of 8, let us take. So row 0, row 1, row 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఇంకోటి రావాలా? So by this declaration of 8 is equals to kite plus, and I am taking kite women's. Okay, so kite is of row 0, kite plus is row 1, kite women's is row 3. So this is nothing but A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. So identi 0, 1, 2, right? So A of 0 enti kite, A of 1 enti kite plus, A of 2 enti kite women's. So how it will be stored? Antena? Followed by null character. So these are what? Empty blocks, nothing but waste of memory. Am I right? So here we took 3 strings in an array. Collection of strings is nothing but array. Is that okay? Collection of strings. Am I right? So array of strings ante enti? Collection of strings in a array is nothing but array of strings. So here data type could be char and any name you can assign, and you have to give the size, and this is the part declaration, this is initialization, and like this it is gonna store. Is that okay? Clear? అర్థమైందా?